Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn the 3-4 things about related to your practical work. In today's practical work, we will learn about how to change the columns from 1 to 2, how to change the orientation, and how to change the margin from 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So first of all, you have to type a paragraph as it is typed here, some material in my document, and then you can apply these things. By default, when you open a Microsoft Word, home tab is open. Like now, this is home tab, and this is the ribbon of options. There are different type of options. The functions are tools which we use today to make changes or formation of the document will appear from layout tab as it is, or page layout tab. In Word 2013 it is known as a page layout, and in 16 it is layout. So how will you do? Let's see. Before doing these applying these settings, you must have some data on your document as it is here now in my document. So first of all, we will click on page layout or layout tab. In the layout tab ribbon, you see different group of commands are there, like page setup commands are here. These are some different options. This is called a group of options which can be applied on page, or page setup can be changed from here. Paragraph options and arrange items. Item arrange or something making changes here. Our work is here in page layout group of commands. First of all, as I told you, you have to type some data, then you can apply these things. As I told you that changing of margins, we will learn. First of all, changing of margin option is in page setup group of options. You have to click on margins. By default, normal page margin is set, and this is a 1 inch at all 4 sides, as you can see here, top, bottom, left and right. But now we are going to customize it, we are going to change it, and you can see this is top margin, and the same way this is a bottom margin which is already changed here, customized. Now we will change, this is by default 1 inch margin, and we will change it to 1.5 inches margin. So what will you do? You have to click on margin option, group of options. Click here. As you click down arrow, drop down list of different margins will appear. We will not select any of them. We will click on custom margins. Here you can see in the custom margins, the first option or tab is in page setup margins. As you can see here, the margin, top margin is set as 1 inch, but we are going to change it. How to change? Either you can write, select and delete it, and write here 1.5, and it will be set as we click on OK. Otherwise, you can select the increase the size of margin as it is going to be increased. As you can see here on page that the text lines are going down, means margin size is increased. As we select 1.5 inches, then we will click OK, and you will see there here the size of this gray ruler will increase up to 1.5. So as we click here, you see the margin is changed, and this is the margin here. Now before, above this line, this is a 1.5 inches margin, and this is normally we use in border, in what we can say header type, as it is page number there. So this is called header, 1.5 inches header, and this is how to change the margins. Again we will come back to page layout, and you can make it in normal. Normally margin is of 1 inch at all four sides by default, as I told you. The next one thing we will learn today is orientation. These are two types of orientations here. Two types of orientations: landscape and portrait. Landscape and portrait. Normally by default when we open Word document, it is in portrait format. The page is in portrait, means the data is written in what we say in length of the text document, but we can change it. As you can see here, as a landscape, you will see the size of page will increase here, and all the data will be changed. As you can see now the data is written in width wise on a document. This is how to change the orientation by clicking here. That all options are in page setup group, and tab is a layout or page layout. The next thing and most important and interesting is column setting. By default document is set at one column, and we can change it to 3. Left right means left side will be smaller in column and right side will be a little bit more space. In more columns, once you click, you can see here different type of options are available. The maximum column you can make are 13 in Word, 14 in Word 2016, but normally I have seen observed in 2013 Word it is a 14 columns. So we are going to make it in 2 columns. So either we can select from here, either this one. You can see now these are 2 columns. As in newspapers we see the small columns data is typed over there, but here now you can easily observe the 2 columns of data. We can change it again into 1 column, and now you can see the all data is in 1 column. You can change it 1, 2 and 3 columns. Right now it is in 3 columns. Okay, this is your practical work, and the same practical work is available on your textbook page number 63, and that is your homework, and that is your worksheet. When you finish this work, you can send me the video of 30 to 40 seconds. On page number 63 there is a practical work, and there is a paragraph, you can say that importance of exercise paragraph. You can type it, and you can after typing that paragraph, no need to write a complete paragraph. If you write, that's good, it will be easy to observe the things. Write 2 or 3 lines, and then it's your job is to set the margin from 1 to 1.5 inches and change the orientation from portrait to landscape. Then change the number of columns to 2, and change the orientation columns to 2, and save the document as exercise. All the solution to do this work is given on the page number 60 as a solution, 63 as a solution. So that's all. This is your practical work and practical lecture. Thank you very much.